In this demo, we are going to show how playing an MP3 song can actually get your smartphone compromised. Okay, so in this demo we have two apps. So one app is called Play Music, and this app, as you will see, and this is safe, okay, because this app is written in the native program language in Java in Android. So our attack and does not affect this type of the applications. Another type of app is actually called the HTML5-based, okay, and this kind of app is developed using the HTML5 technologies. This is kind of the app that are going to have problems, okay, so we're going to see what kind of problem they're going to have. First, let's look at this Play Music app. Okay, so now this app is launched. It loads the music, load MP3 music. Okay, and in this app, it displays the album name and then the artist name. Okay, it displays both information. And suppose you're going to see some names out there, but in the MP3 file, in that album name and artist name field, we actually put a piece of malicious code in here. So here you can see it started with a script, so that signal this is JavaScript code, and then there are some of the program here. And similarly in the artist field, and you can see it started with the script and with some of the code out there. Okay, the goal of those code is trying to get your personal information from the phone. But fortunately for this app, since it's developed using a native program language in Java, and it is immune to the attack that we are talking about. So now we are going to look at the fate of this app. So we are using this HTML5-based app to play the MP3 song. Okay, and let's take a look. This is the interface of this app. This app is going to load a music. Once you click the button, it's going to load MP3 song. And once it's loaded, it's going to display the information about the artist name, album name. Okay, so now let's take a look and what's going to happen when we click this button. So the MP3 song is going to be loaded. Okay, you can see that something just pops up. Okay, so as soon as you load that MP3 song, and this alert and comes up, and this is actually the result of the malicious code that we wrote. So this just means that our malicious code gets triggered. Okay, compared to the previous app, the code was displayed, but in this case, the code was not displayed, but it's actually executed. Now the result of this is if you execute this code, and this code is going to get your contact list, and you can see that some of the names are displayed in here. Of course they are fake names, and these are the contact lists that is stored on the device. And so now you can see actually we have inject two pieces of code. So one inject in the album field, the other inject in the name field. And so this is the code that actually runs from the name field. And this code does something differently. It gets your location, but the goal of them are similar. They both trying to get your personal information. This shows that the code that we put in the MP3 songs, and they actually get executed in the HTML5-based app. As you can see, after MP3 music is loaded, and the artist and the album name, they're empty, and this is because of the code that we put in those fields. They get executed, and they were not actually displayed. So that's what caused the damage. For more information about this attack, please visit our website.